Hi, it's William Jamming. Welcome to 1000 Tips for Procreate. And in this video, I'm going to show you the tips that I learned about blending. Okay, so for example, let me just give you a very simple example. Let me use, by the way, I'm using a default brush for this video. So for example, I want to use the studio pen and let's give it a, I will choose harmony for the color, okay? And let's make it really bright, and I'm going to use like an orange-ish color, maybe a little bit darker, orangish color, and let's do something like this. Okay, hold it and click it. It will just give you like a really perfect circle. Okay, because I'm going to make the blending. So in order to make the blending, I'm going to make a curve, okay, like here, and I can drop the color here, and of course I can then change it to a little bit brighter color, okay, and I'm going to make a maybe a circle here. Okay, let me just hold it, so it'll be a very interesting circle, and I'm going to fill the rest of the circle. Okay, and then I'm going to make it even brighter and maybe a little bit tilted to the red. Okay, and I'm going to make another circle here. Okay, and I'm going to drop the rest, and then I'm going to get a really bright whitish color. Okay, I'm going to do something like this. Okay, this is like a really simple, a circle. Okay, but if you want to actually blend it, what are you gonna do? Okay, first I'm gonna show you a really quick way of doing this. So the first thing I'll actually watch this. I think, hey, I can use like a Gaussian blur. I'm really great fan of the Gaussian blur. I use that all the time. So I just click here, and just to click Gaussian blur, and I just try things out. This is just thing that I learned. Yeah. So yeah, that looks actually pretty great. But there is one problem. If you just use the Gaussian blur, it will just blur outside of the area. Okay, so you got this edges become really blurred, and you don't want that. But the effects is pretty good. So here comes to the tip. Okay, the solution is you're going to confine every changes to the original shape. So you can do something like this. You can just click it and alpha lock. So the reason alpha lock, the name alpha is that you have some color on the screen, so it's just to change the value of that pixel, and you can just lock that, because if you use alpha lock, everything that you draw on the screen will be like it's like a mask. Okay, so you can restrict. So if the pixel is drawn on the screen and everything else is not drawn, so this pixel is locked. And if you paint, the rest of it won't be affected. Only the pixel that you draw will be affected. So if you click alpha lock, then if you draw like a studio pen, let me just use a really big brush and draw a black color. If you draw, you won't be able to draw outside of this area. Okay, and we're going to use this to actually blur our object. So if you use the Gaussian blur, it will not go outside of this cube, and the result is amazing, right? The result is amazing. So you can got like really blended color like this, and when you are finished, then you can go to next stage and do something else. Okay, so that's all. If you think my video is helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is William Jamming, and learn digital art with William Jamming. Okay, bye.